Deep in the darkest corners of our oceans swim creatures so rare, most people don't even know they exist. Today, we're diving into the most mind-bending secrets of the world's rarest fish. Let's start with the psychedelic frogfish. This master of disguise isn't just rare, it can change its entire body pattern in just a few weeks to match its surroundings. But here's the crazy part. It doesn't actually swim. Instead, it uses its fins like hands to walk across the ocean floor. Think that's weird? It gets better. These fish can expand their mouths to the size of their entire body in just 2 milliseconds. That's faster than you can blink. Now meet the purple handfish. Only 14 individuals are known to exist on Earth. Unlike any fish you've seen, they have hands. Yes, actual hands. They use these modified fins to crawl along the seafloor of Tasmania. But here's something nobody tells you. They're actually terrible parents. They'll lay their eggs on sea squirts, which then eat most of the eggs, leaving only a few to survive. Ever heard of the devil's hole pupfish? This might be the rarest fish on Earth, living in just one single cavern in Nevada. But here's the mind-blowing part. They've survived in complete isolation for over 10,000 years, in water hot enough to make most fish go belly up. They've evolved to thrive in water that's 93 degrees Fahrenheit, which would be lethal to most other fish species. The tequila splitfin has a secret that sounds like science fiction. This fish was completely extinct in the wild. Gone. Vanished. But in 2022, scientists successfully reintroduced them back into their native Mexican waters. This is the first time in history that an extinct fish species has been brought back to the wild. They're now thriving in the same rivers where they disappeared decades ago. And finally, let's talk about the ruby sea dragon. First discovered in 2015, this blood-red creature is so elusive that scientists thought the first photos were fake. Unlike its cousins, it doesn't have leaf-like appendages. Instead, it uses its bright red color as camouflage in the deep waters. The most fascinating part? It's the only sea dragon that doesn't carry its babies, a trait that puzzles scientists to this day. These aren't just rare fish, they're living proof that truth is stranger than fiction. And who knows? There might be even more bizarre creatures waiting to be discovered in the depths of our oceans. The real question is, what will we find next?